Are you videoing? Oh, I guess you are. It's a nice rainy day out. Alright. Let's get cracking. This truck liner is pretty gross. So am I. So you can't complain about that. Yeah, oh good, it's loose already. Hanging by a thread. Like a rock. What was that? What was the bit? Oh no! I've dropped the screwdriver bit. That was the perfect bit. Oh, there it is. Lucky me. My lucky day. Got the screw came out and I didn't lose the bit immediately. 3 screws? What is this thing, a Mercedes? Oh yeah, that thing is weirdly gross. Yeah, let's take it and see if I can't make it different. I don't know about better, but different. Bolt front of the truck falls off once I get this bolt out. Nothing. Ugh. How does this thing work? How does that thing work? I just keep undoing things? Well, we've come this far. Where did my other bolt go already? Oh, there it is. Right in the crack of the... Alright. Huh. Thought this would be more easy to figure out. Well, I might have to go to the internet myself. Alright, I watched a video by a guy named Trevlon, and I've made some progress. Broke some things. Broke a clip over here. But, got a little bit farther. One step at a time. I guess I'll go to the other side and break some things over there. See what happens. Hey, there we go again. Alright, so this thing, I couldn't find anything online about it. I gotta think. I guess I just get closer up and look at it. How does this thing work? Does this plastic piece pop off? Oh, it does feel loose. Which way should it go, though? I only got a screwdriver. Try prying on different parts of it, I guess. You like that? Oh, you do like that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Lose that immediately. I break it. Nope, there's just a spider web in there. Because spiders like to make things gross. There we go. Huh. Just pry them off, I guess. If anybody's ever had to come across one of these things, that's what you do. I couldn't find a single video on that. Definitely add that to the... Come on now. I just did it on the other side. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Huh. Apparently got pushed down on it. And it popped the other side off. Looks like a 10mm bolt in there. Alright. Progress. Let me go get a wrench. Hey. Thought instead of walking back and forth, I'll just bring this whole tool set out here. Hide all the tools I already brought out here. Where'd all the wrenches go? 19. Last time you used a 19. Ooh, the 10s. Don't think that's it. Where'd the screwdriver go? There it is. The good tool thing. If you have to use a tool to pry the darn. Ah, there's a staple. Oh my gosh, it is a 10. I didn't expect that. Where's the adapter? Ah, Mr. Adapter, where are you? Well, I need a socket wrench for this then. These aren't small, right? Nope. Is there a bigger 10 I can use? Oh, there is. Let's use the bigger 10. Why is a 10mm 1,000 times bigger? Ah. Is there a true 10mm? Oh, it's a 12. That's not 10. What's this one then? That was 11. What's this one? This was 12. I have 2 12s. 2 12s. Where's the 10? Huh. Well, there's a mystery. Maybe this, nah. Let me just get the darn right tool. was in there grabbing this so I can use this socket. I forgot. I grabbed an extra. No wonder it takes me so long to do everything. Oh, there might be a reason why this one is in my tool thing. Oh, come on now. Yep. Probably should throw that away. Does this one work? Oh my gosh. That way. Do they all skip every socket wrench I have? Probably. There we go. How long could that bolt possibly be? It's got nowhere to go. It's not even loose yet, what? Will this actually be better? I did that on purpose. Oh, there it goes. It's going one way anyways. I think I just tightened it a little. Go back to the first socket wrench. There we go. Ha! Success. And how long that bolt is, my gosh, it's like right to the roof on the other side. It makes no sense how much bolt that is. Every ratchet more worn out than the last. Come on. I would suggest taking this part off second. It was the time of our lives, and I owe it all to you. Does this remind anybody else of Dirty Dancing? Patrick Swayze. What are we doing right now? Oh yeah. Aha! Oh yeah, wow, there's some nuts in there. Huh. This is going very well. Alright. I'll have to think for a second. Back to the driver's side. Oh yeah. This side looks like it's seen some horrible things. But we're making progress. Oh, 3 bolts out. Oh, what are you doing? Huh. Hey, another one of those. Should I cover those with something? Would that be a thing? So there's not one of those things on this side. Where'd that wrench go? Ah, the perfect bit. Away it goes. Take this little door hanger off. I don't know if that'll help or not, but all good. Nothing's tight. Perfect. Perfecto. Ooh. Ah. Oh, there she goes. This is a particularly neat bolt too. Got a little taper on the end. Weird thing on it. Put that up there to fall down in the vent. Forget about. So, Tim was able to wiggle this out of the. Oh yeah, that pops out of the way. And this was easy to pop down, I think. A little tighter on the side. Don't want that on there. Was this glued on the side? Oh, I see the clip. It's right there. Where'd that good screwdriver go? Oh, there it is. There we go. Coal bolt. Pop that out of the way. Let's just ease into it. Oh, just like that. There you go. Oh, this there was something over here. Oh, right there. Squish it out a little. Oh, there's another one over here somewhere. Real gentle with. I don't see it. Is it right there? Oh. Hey, that one popped out perfect. All right. Just this one now. Ah, there we go. Perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so close to actually happening. This is good. Alright, I turn our attentions to this. How does this thing work? Anything come apart on it? Does the whole thing come down? Does this panel thing pop out? Does this thing come down without it? It'd be nice if I don't have to take that off. Can this move? Yeah, this thing is not in good shape. Yeah, definitely ripped right there. Holy mackerel. Can't look underneath this any? Oh, I can. I have to go to the internet to figure out how this works. Maybe. Well, grab my phone and watch a video. Some things. Apparently you can pry on this thing a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Pops right out. Oh wow. And then there's to middle of the light. Where'd the screwdriver go? And then I go to this screwdriver. This normal amount of spider webs. Oh yeah, that one's in there. This is great. This is a good time. Good angle. I feel like my tummy's sticking out at the bottom. Yeah, right there. Ha ha. Maybe I'll crop this in so you guys can't see it. Leave it in. Oh yeah, that stuff is falling from the ceiling. I should be wearing safety glasses to be in the vehicle. Oh, this is great. Just when you think things can't get better. It's 1 degree out, that's why. Yeah, I can see my breath. Put that top there. Was there no one? Yep, right there. Oh yeah, snapped right off. That's why that. Oh no. No, perfect. Philip said, don't do this to me. This is great. That's a good workout. Oh, there we go. Second bolt. Woo, woo. Right there. Well, does it pop out like it showed in the thing? Oh, yeah. Well, the important part fell over there. Hopefully that went okay. Follow the truck. Well, that thing's pretty neat. Pretty neat indeed. Can I get the roof out now? Was that the only thing holding the roof in now? Well, let's go around. Are you really stuck up in there? Can we just bend on this? Is this a bending situation? Can I pull over there? Feels like it wants to go. Feels like there's a chance. Oh, did I press a button that made something happen? I did. Oh, whatever, something's going on. And there I am. I'll try prying on this side. This is very interesting. Is it caught on something right there? Looks like it is. Try not to wreck it. Oh, something weird's going on right there. Is it just the hole? Yeah, I guess just the hole. Whole thing biodegrading as I look at it. Great. What will give? This will give or that will give? Oh man, do I gotta take this whole panel off? That makes that exciting. Maybe I only have to do one side. Well, this side is already missing this, so let's go with that, I guess. Let's give me a second here. Alright, always get the right tool for the job. A little bit tighter. This might not be the right tool for the job. That's okay. Well, I have this. This fits in there. That wants to do nothing though. Struggle. There you go. Well, turn that time. Gotta be something structurally strong right there. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Oh man, how many feet of torque? Ooh, it's going. What is wrong with this thing? Ah, it goes on that side. Ah. Whew. That's more of a workout than I was planning on today. Oh yeah, this is the life. Gone forever. Huh. Ah. What's holding it together back here? Maybe that. Is there more things that would come apart? That seatbelt just pulls out of the way there. Just bending and twisting on things so something breaks. Well, multiple things been done now. Just stick the screwdriver in there and pry. Let's go forward, maybe. There's a pop of some sort back here. Ooh. Oh, broke it a little. Dang it. We're getting close, though. Oh man, there's gonna be a lot of super glue. Oh. Good, they both broke off. Perfect. I don't know, you see that wire. Oh my gosh, just turned into a fiasco. All right. Aha. Well, how the hell was I going to get that out of there? Oh. What's going on up here? All right, that's my. Oh. Oh, you son of a gun. I guess I'm covering it. What just happened? It's like a piece of Velcro. Not interested in coming off. Dang it. Dang it. This thing is definitely biodegrading by the moment. Last time I took one of these off, it was not this kind of shape. This one is just junk. Absolute junk. Well, what are you gonna do? Good whole thing forward. Leave that entirely out of the way on that side. So I sit down. Oh, my keys. Nothing holding me in now. Should be. Everything's broken. Where am I in the frame? There I am. Oh. Huh. Ah, the sound of ripping and tearing. That means, oh my gosh. Walk it back and forth, maybe? Huh. Must be the deal. Stop biting me. I'm trying to help you. There goes something. Oh my gosh. Phew. All right. I've got it down. How do I get it out of here? It's turning up sideways, maybe? Oh man, it's caught on everything. Well, there's the roof of the garage, or roof of the truck. I thought it would look better, but it's all this really terrible material. But to find one of these online, it's a couple $100, so I think I might just tape it. Lots of tape. And looking for a bunch of duct tape, I found the world's most worn out work boots. Don't need these anymore. Alright, so there's the top that faces the roof. This is a little better shape. Maybe we'll just start wrapping tape around places and see if I can make a little bit of a structure to it. Can I do a time lapse here? Alright. deathly exciting. Maybe I should do that first. We'll sit there. Right here. Alright. Now I get the door open. At least. I just realized something. Stuff this wipes off. Wow, so many things going on here. Yeah. It's a heck of a lot better because I take that piece of tape off. Hold on with your right there.